Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can convert an image from one color mode to another if necessary. However, since Elements does not offer CMYK color modes, you will have to convert your image in a different application if you want to convert an image in Elements to a CMYK color model. For example, you can convert an image from the RGB display that is used for design on most monitors to a CMYK color mode for commercial printing purposes. When you select a different color mode for an image, you will permanently alter the color values in the image. So if you convert an RGB color mode image to a CMYK color mode image, any RGB color values outside of the CMYK color gamut will be adjusted to fall within the CMYK color gamut. In light of that, you may want to take a few precautionary measures before converting an image. It is usually recommended that you do as much of the editing as possible in the original color mode of the image. Then save a copy of the file with the original color mode and all the layers in case you want to edit the original version of the image after the conversion. Then flatten the image file before converting it, as the interaction of colors between layer blending modes will change when the color mode changes. To flatten an image which merges all the layers into the background layer, select Layer, Flatten Image from the menu bar. To then convert the flattened image to another color mode in Elements, you can select Image, Mode from the menu bar. From the side menu that appears, select the image mode that you want to use for the image. If a mode is not available for the selected image, then it will appear as being grayed out within this side menu.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.